Hey, so we're now in Sitka.
Yes, we are. It's beautiful here. Look behind us.
So coming into the port, we actually got to see the harbor captain jump on the cruise ship while it was moving, so he could
Very dangerous
pilot
job.
it into the dock. That was pretty cool. And so we're going to enjoy Sitka. And so what excursion do we have planned for today, Holly?
Well, we have a paddle excursion for 90 minutes in a kayak out in the water behind us. Hopefully it's pretty calm. But the highlight of the trip is to see the wildlife. They said that we should see sea lions, porpoise, we should see sea otters, hopefully some bald eagles, hopefully not any whales from underneath our kayak, but it should be really fun. It's a great way to see the island.
Yeah, so we've got a little bit of a cruise to head out to our remote kayaking station, and then we'll get in our two-person sea kayak,
Yep.
and we'll go exploring.
Yeah, I think we go out to an island, and that's
Yeah.
where we start, and then
Yeah.
just kind of go around it. So
All right.
look forward to it.
All right, so hopefully we'll come
Wish
back.
us well.
All right, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
He's climbing. Oh my word. Handing him a backpack. He wasn't even like strapped.
Looks like we're gonna dock right next to the Seven Seas Explorer. And then we're off to explore Sitka.
इसके साथ देखिए ना कि सिटका बोल के ना भैया पाई
How's it going back there, Holly?
It's
Stay-
great.
Staying dry?
And dry. It helps to not
All right.
kayak in
Yeah.
the paddle
Do you know
too
which way
dry.
your rudder is?
The weather?
The rudder?
Oh no. That's the thing that makes my husband get annoyed when I
All
don't
right.
push it left
All
and
right. Keep us straight. Okay, we made it.
That was so fun. It was a great day.
Kayaking with Adventure Sitka
Yes.
with our guide Ernie.
Very thankful we got to do it. Highly recommended. I don't even think we got wet
No, we didn't even get cold
or cold
or sink.
or sink or flip. So many bad things could have happened, but none of them.
Awesome job.
Yep. Thanks for letting us go.
Okay, welcome to Sitka.
That's right. Beautiful place. Look at the church behind us. It's St. Michael's Cathedral, established in 1837. Can you believe people were here in 1837?
Awesome.
Freezing then, freezing now.